Hello everyone, thank you for watching my vlog. So for tonight, we're going to, I'm not alone, we're going to, we're going to eat all of this. Wow, para namang last supper na to, but it's not. I just
Uy,
wanna
knock on wood.
Huh? Guys, I just wanna treat myself because I'm sick today. Not totally sick. Just cold and cough. So, kakain tayo ng marami. Kasi, life is short. Mabas naman tayo dyan. Life is short. So, if you're sick, eat whatever you want. Hindi naman ako naiiyak, ano? Ganito lang ako pag nagkakasakit, guys. Pinaparusahan ko yung sarili ko sa maraming blessing na galing kay Lord. Kaya kakain ako ng marami. O, nakita niyo naman yan, di ba? So, may gulay. Well,